Hello everyone! First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Filipe Thomaz and I am an aspiring game developer. I have been wanting to develop a game for quite a while now, and I finally decided to embark in this adventure. I am a Portuguese engineer with a great passion for storytelling, and have always found story-driven games, such as the classic point-and-click adventures, to the more recent To the Moon, What Remains of Edith Finch or Night in the Woods, extremely appealing. I have written many short stories, poems, and have even directed a musical for which I originally wrote the music and the libretto. I had this concept of a story I wanted to tell regarding depression, so I decided to start learning Unity a month ago and start to build the basic gameplay for it. I decided to rely on simple gameplay mechanics, where the player mostly explores and has dialogues with characters to unfold the story, with some small physics obstacles or tasks in between, for a better immersion of the player with the character they are playing. I've also opted for a 2D platformer kind of graphics and a black silhouette approach for the player in foreground, which later I found out has been used in many acclaimed games such as Limbo, but I decided it's so at the time as animation is one of my weakest points. I am not sure yet if I'll have multiple endings for the story, but the amount and type of information that you get will vary according to dialogue choices. I'm using almost exclusively free software, with a combination of Krita and Inkscape for graphics, Sprite for animation, and no paid Unity assets so far, mainly due to code practice. All code, including the dialogue system and the in-game status save system, have been written entirely from scratch, with many help from friends and online forums. So here is a dialogue file example I am using for the game. It uses the YAML format, and it already detects the speaker, if it's a line of dialogue or a dialogue branch option, which dialogue is it going to next if applicable, and even special functions, such as audio for each line, or to trigger an animation for the character or some other object. I'm hoping to update the status of my game every 1 or 2 weeks, where I'm going to try to keep things interesting without any major spoiler regarding the story, which is clearly the driving force of the game. I'm also available for any questions, or if you need any help or tutorials in anything regarding things I have worked on. Please don't hesitate to comment or try to reach me. I'll also create a Patreon page and link it below. For now, if you like what you saw, please give a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I so much want you to help tell and shape this story with me and bring it to the world together. See you next time.